GearBest is an online electronics retailer that offers a wide range of products, from smartphones and laptops to home appliances and accessories. Aside from selling products directly to consumers, GearBest also has an affiliate marketing program that allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting their products. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to earn money online with GearBest. 1. Sign up for a GearBest affiliate account. Visit GearBest affiliate program page and sign up for an account using your email address or social media profiles like Facebook or Google+ account details are required during registration process for verification purposes. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, you'll receive a verification email from GearBest. Click on the link provided to confirm your email address and activate your account. 3. Log into your affiliate dashboard. Once your account is activated, log into your affiliate dashboard using your email address and password. 4. Choose your preferred payment method. GearBest offers various payment methods, including PayPal, bank transfer, and Alipay. Choose the one that suits you best. 5. Browse GearBest's product catalog. GearBest has a vast selection of products, so take some time to browse their catalog and familiarize yourself with their offerings. 6. Select products to promote. Choose the products you want to promote based on your niche, audience, and commission rate. 7. Generate your affiliate link. After selecting the products you want to promote, generate your affiliate link by clicking on the Get Link button on your affiliate dashboard. 8. Promote your affiliate link. Share your affiliate link on your website, blog, social media, or email list to drive traffic to GearBest's website. 9. Monitor your affiliate performance. Keep track of your affiliate performance using your affiliate dashboard. You can see your clicks, sales, commissions, and other important metrics. 10. Optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Analyze your affiliate performance and optimize your marketing strategy to improve your results. 11. Withdraw your earnings. Once you've earned a minimum of $50, you can withdraw your earnings using your preferred payment method. 12. Stay updated with GearBest's affiliate program. Keep yourself updated with GearBest's affiliate program by checking their website, social media, or email newsletter for any updates or changes. By following these steps, you can start earning money online with GearBest's affiliate marketing program. Remember to always promote products that are relevant to your audience and provide value to your readers. Good luck!